Hi, this is Betsy Birdsong with the Birdsong Group, brokered by eXp Realty. And I want to talk to you today about how you should select homes that you're going to show your clients. When you're working with a buyer, you really only want to show a client a maximum of 10 houses. You're probably sitting there thinking, well, how in the world am I going to be able to do that? If you are providing a buyer's consultation to them at the very beginning of the process, you should not have to show them a whole bunch of houses. Buyers these days are very busy just like you are, and so they want things to move along pretty quickly. I like to streamline the process by having conversation with my clients about what features are non-negotiable for them in their new home. It is essential that you find out what a client really wants. There is a difference between what they want and what they need. So you also need to find out what they really need. Knowing that is important so that you can help guide them. Sometimes they walk into a home and they get all emotional, and you know what their needs are, and you know that that house doesn't fit those needs. So you have to have that conversation with them and remind them about the conversations that you had previously. Our clients shouldn't have to tour 50 homes to learn something that we already know. As you're looking at houses, be sure to ask if they are comfortable with the choices that they're making. Listen. Sometimes clients will tell you to show them things and it's not really what they need or want. So you have to have really good listening skills. Ask the difficult questions. Find out. Dive deep into the process for them. Sometimes also, if y'all have not found something, then you need to have a reevaluation conversation. You need to find out, talk to them a little bit more. If you've toured dozens of homes and you haven't had any results, you've got to have a sit down and really have that conversation all over again with them to discover what they really need, what they really want, and you might even have to start the process all over again. So I just want you to think about that. The goal is to help these people find a house and to do it in a timely manner. So take what I've said to heart, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call in helping buyers select houses and you helping them in the process. My number is 504-376-7650, and this is Betsy Birdsong with the Birdsong Group.